What if your next hotel wasn't just a place to sleep, but the entire reason you traveled in the first place? Would you dare to stay in any of these? Stick around, because the last one is absolutely unreal. First up, we're heading to Sweden for the Ice Hotel. This place is made entirely of ice and snow, and it's rebuilt from scratch every single winter. Even the beds are solid blocks of ice, though you do get thermal sleeping bags. The temperature inside hovers around a cool -5 degrees Celsius. So the big question is, would you survive a night here? Let me know in the comments if this is a definite yes or an absolute no for you. Next, imagine you're having a lovely breakfast, sipping your coffee, and a giraffe casually sticks its head through your window to say hello. This isn't a zoo, it's the Giraffe Manor in Kenya. It is a luxury hotel where these gentle giants are free to roam the grounds and often pop in for a snack. It's a surreal experience that brings you face to face with wildlife. Is that cute or just a little bit terrifying? From giraffes to dogs, our next stop is the Dog Bark Park Inn in Idaho, USA. You literally get to sleep inside a giant dog-shaped building. It's a beagle, to be precise, named Sweet Willie. This is a real, fully functioning B&B created by chainsaw artists. It's quirky, it's unique, and it's definitely one for the dog lovers. Tag someone you know who would absolutely love to stay here. Now let's get your adrenaline pumping. In Peru, you'll find the Sky Lodge Adventure Suites. These are transparent glass pods hanging off the side of a sheer cliff in the Sacred Valley. To check in, you have to climb a 400-meter rock face or zip line across a canyon. This one really blurs the line between a hotel and an extreme sport, don't you think? Ready to go under the sea? Welcome to the Muraka in the Maldives. This is a 2-level residence, but its master bedroom is 16 feet below the Indian Ocean. You can fall asleep surrounded by a 180-degree view of marine life, watching sharks, turtles, and fish swim right above your head. Is this a dream stay or pure nightmare fuel? For a different kind of light show, we travel to Finland to the Kakslautinen Arctic Resort. Here you can stay in glass igloos, giving you a front-row seat to the northern lights, all from the comfort of your bed. There's no TV, no curtains, just the vast, star-filled sky and the dancing aurora. Would you be willing to turn your phone off for a view like that? Now for something completely different, the Null Stern Hotel in Switzerland. This translates to 0-star hotel, and they mean it. There are no walls, no roof, and absolutely no privacy. It's just a double bed placed in the middle of the Swiss Alps. You get a butler, but that's about it. Is this a wonderfully romantic escape, or is it just completely insane? Next, we fly to Vietnam to see the Hang Nga Guest House, also known as the Crazy House. It looks like something straight out of a Salvador Dali painting. Designed by a Vietnamese architect, the building has almost no straight lines and feels like a giant, explorable sculpture. It's a maze of winding tunnels, weirdly shaped rooms, and whimsical statues. Is it an artistic masterpiece or just architectural chaos? Back to Sweden, but this time to the forest for the Tree Hotel. One of its most famous rooms is the Mirror Cube. It's a 4x4-meter box, clad entirely in mirrored glass, suspended around a tree trunk. From the outside, it reflects its surroundings and becomes nearly invisible. From the inside, it's a futuristic cabin with a 360-degree view. Would you trust sleeping in a mirrored box that disappears into the woods? Finally, let's peek into the future in Japan. The country is famous for its capsule hotels, but some are taking it a step further with robot staff. You check in with a robot receptionist, your luggage is handled by a robotic arm, and you sleep in a tiny, high-tech pod. It's possible to have almost zero human interaction. Is this the efficient, streamlined future of travel? So, after seeing all these unbelievable places, which hotel would you actually stay in? Let me know the number in the comments below. If you love discovering strange and wonderful places, give this video a like and follow for more unbelievable destinations around the world. Thanks for watching.